Hello, my name is Jasmine with WTI and we're in my closet. I really wanted to show you this beautiful new light I just got from METWET. It's a vanity light, but definitely can be used in different applications for any small space. Super easy to install, especially if you've done it before. The electrical is just very straightforward, and you just want to make sure that the power is off there so you can be safe. Once you have it on, you do have to provide your own light bulbs. So we got these E26 base bulbs that are straight and they fit perfectly inside of this light fixture. And once you have it all set up, here is the final look. I love the milk glass. It is so pretty and it just takes this closet light to the next level. Just because your light is in a closet doesn't mean it has to be ugly. So this definitely does the job. Now we can see everything in here and the light is not an eyesore. So we are overall just really happy with this light and we think you will be too. So if you're in the market for a small light that is just going to brighten the room, definitely check out METWET. They have different finishes, different designs to choose from. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.